How to update Facebook Messenger on an Android. Now, this is very quick and easy. All you have to do is just to go to the home page of your mobile device and then look for your Google Play Store. So right here. Now, once you're here, you'll just have to go to your search bar and then type in Messenger. Click on Messenger and choose on the second result. So as you can see, there is actually an update button there. So just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. You'll just have to wait around maybe 3 to 5 minutes. But if this option is not showing on your end and your Play Store is also not showing on your end, all you have to do is just to use any preferred web browser on your Android device. So let's try Google Chrome and then just head directly to your search bar and type in Messenger update. Tap on that. So if you directly tap on the first result, which will route you to Google Play, it will automatically pull up your Google Play Store or your App Store, even if it is hidden on your Android device. So that's it. That's how you update Facebook Messenger on Android device.